All right, I opened up some blind bags a while back on the channel, and you guys loved it as much as I did, so I ordered some more. Now, a couple of things I have to say about this one. I ordered 2 sets. We're going to open one today, and then there'll be another video up probably right after the 1st of the new year. I was certain that both sets of blind bags I ordered this time had 10 items in them. This one only has 5. This took so long to get to me. I ordered it off eBay. It took so long to get to me, I can no longer look up the listing on eBay to see. It's disappeared off my purchase history. It took so long to get here. And most of the time it took to get here was not getting it here from China to the US. It was from the time it left customs and got to me via the post office. So that was kind of frustrating. I do know I paid around $3 each for the 2 packages. So let me set these off to the side and I'll pull them up one at a time and we can see what I got. All right. I have no idea what to expect. It's something small. So let's see if I can cut it down far enough it'll open. There we go. What did I get? It's okay. It's broccoli. It's a little funky colored, but it will do. Let me get you down a little closer. So, oops. Can I get it in focus? There we go. There will be pictures on the blog post. The scale is pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty much in scale, so not bad. Okay, I'm not unhappy with that. Let me get the next bag ready. All right, I'm going to keep you zoomed in here and try and remember to stay under camera. Let's see what this one is. This one feels suspiciously similar. Oh, okay. It is, okay, it's a little mushroom house. That's actually kind of cute. It could be on display somewhere. That's kind of cute. Not something I would have looked for necessarily shopping, but it's cute. It's in scale. It would make a cute little display. So it's fine. Let me get the next one ready. All right, number 3. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm assuming it's supposed to be a little cake shaped like a heart. It's kind of cute. It's a little wobbly. All of these need paint touch-ups before I would display them, but it's cute, it's in scale, and it's fine. So let me get the next one ready. All right, let's see what's in bag number 4. This one's flatter. Okay, well, it could be a humongous donut or it could be just a little ring-shaped cake. Again, the paint really leaves a lot to be desired, but I think with some touch-up paint, again, it would be very usable. Not something I would go out and buy, but it's cute and I love doing blind bags, so I'm happy. Let's get the last one ready. All right, number 5, our final one. Let's see what we got. Okay, no repeats in here. I'm really glad about that. It looks like it's some kind of canned good. It's got a pop top, so I'm assuming this is like a juice or a soda or something. It's sitting in a cabinet. Again, it would be fine. It's kind of cute, and it's always good to have canned goods to fill out the cabinets in the dollhouse. So that's the 5th one. Let me get everything gathered up and we'll talk about them. All right, so here's all 5 items I got. They all need paint touch-ups to look. I mean, this one would be okay, but it can be really improved with some painting. The broccoli definitely needs painting, a little touch-up, but I think with some touch-ups, these will be really cute to display. If this was my first blind bag experience, would I buy more? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not as happy with these as I was with the other set, and I really wish I remembered what these were supposed to be, what the auction had been called, so I'd know what to look for or not look for next time. But overall, I think it was fun. I've got some things I can play with here. Let me know if you want to see me do a redo on the ones. I'll probably leave this one the way it is and just put it in the kitchen cabinet. But I think I'm going to repaint these 4. So let me know if you want to see that on a video in the future. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, push the like button, leave me a comment. If you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscription button and the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. To see better, clearer pictures and my more thoughts about these, check out the blog post, which is linked in the description box below, and I will talk to you next time.